Welcome to TechVerse, your go-to destination for all things tech. Whether you're a gadget enthusiast or just looking for the latest insights, we break down the most talked about devices to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the OnePlus 13, a phone that's making waves but might not be worth your hard-earned cash. Here are 5 reasons why I'm skipping the OnePlus 13 and why you might want to consider its alternatives. Let's get started. 5 reasons I'm skipping the OnePlus 13. 1. No native Qi 2 support. While the OnePlus 13 is a powerhouse, it misses the mark with wireless charging. Qi 2, the latest standard announced at CES 2023, is absent here. Sure, OnePlus sells magnetic cases to add MagSafe-like functionality, but it's not the same as native support. If you prefer using your phone without a case, this is a big letdown. 2. Lackluster AI features. AI is the buzzword of 2024, with brands like Samsung, Google, and Apple pushing boundaries. The OnePlus 13, however, feels behind the curve. It offers basic AI tools like Circle to Search and a magic eraser-like feature, but nothing groundbreaking. If you're looking for an AI-first experience, the Galaxy S25 or Pixel 9 are far better options. 3. Limited telephoto zoom. The OnePlus 13's 3x telephoto shooter is decent, but it can't compete with the 5x optical zoom on rivals like the iPhone 15 Pro or Galaxy S25. While it uses AI to simulate 120x zoom, the results are only usable in daylight. For low-light photography, the competition simply outshines it. 4. Short software support. At $900, the OnePlus 13 is priced competitively, but its software support doesn't match up. With only 4 years of OS updates and 6 years of security patches, it falls short compared to the Pixel 9 and Galaxy S25, which promise 7 years of updates. For a flagship, this feels underwhelming. 5. Limited carrier availability. Unlike its competitors, the OnePlus 13 isn't officially sold by major US carriers. You'll have to buy it outright from Amazon or OnePlus online store, missing out on carrier deals and financing options. This makes it a harder sell for those used to bundling phone costs with their carrier plans. So, should you skip the OnePlus 13? If Qi 2 support, cutting-edge AI, superior zoom capabilities, long-term software updates, and carrier flexibility matter to you, then yes. Instead, consider the Pixel 9 Pro or Galaxy S25 Ultra. They're pricier, but their features justify the cost. The OnePlus 13 is a solid phone, but in 2024, solid might not be enough.